very important that you have a very skilled technician installing your tires and making sure the equipment is set up for today's aluminum rims. The equipment we use is Hunter. The Hunter tire machine that we use has all plastic components, so when there's any interface with your wheel, it's with a plastic component to make sure that we don't scratch or damage your wheels. We do offer the latest in Hunter tire balancing technology with the Hunter Road Force Balancer. Not only does it measure the imbalance of the tire, but it can tell if the tire needs to be rotated on the wheel, to reduce the amount of road force and make sure those tires are mounted and balanced and going to give you the best possible feel when you're in your vehicle driving down the road. We recommend, getting your tires rotated every 7,000 to 10,000 miles. If you're feeling a vibration in your vehicle at certain speeds, or if there's some excessive pulling one direction or the other, if you happen to let go of the wheel, it might be a real good time to come in and get a tire balance. That Road Force Balancer will measure the vehicle tread, and it can tell if the tire is causing the vehicle to pull. So we can use that with its computer matching and put the vehicle's tires back where they will best suit the vehicle for driving straight down the road. If you're feeling any shakes or vibrations or any possible pulling that you think might be occurring with your vehicle, please give us a call. We look forward to seeing you at the shop. Please check out our other videos on our YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe to it, hit the like button, and ring that bell. We really look forward to reading your comments.